So these just came in, and I'm excited because these are like, I got these to be sort of like a transition shoe to wear because, you know, the weather here is always changing, and I've been liking wearing little booties with dresses. So this is my first time looking at them. They're white, and they're little boots, and they're studded. And I'm very excited because I think these are going to go so well with so much. Maybe like today's dress.
Cowboy hat from Gucci, Wrangler on my booty. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
Here is the same outfit with these new boots. How cute are they? So cute. Oh my god. They are just what I wanted for these longer dresses to wear in the spring. I think they're really perfect. Here's how it looks without the jacket. Just so you can see that you can actually wear them. It's like a strapless dress. They look very cute. I love them. I'll probably wear them all year long because I don't care about seasons.